Creating a landing page in MailerLite is simple and can help you capture leads effectively. Here's how to do it. Log into MailerLite. Go to the MailerLite website and log into your account. Navigate to Sites. In the main dashboard, click on the Sites tab located on the left-hand menu. Then click on Landing Pages. Create a new landing page. Click the Create Landing Page button. You'll be prompted to give your landing page a name. This is for internal use, so choose something relevant. Choose a template. MailerLite offers a variety of pre-designed templates. Select one that fits your needs, or choose a blank template to create a custom design. Click on your chosen template to start editing. Customize your landing page. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding. You can add a form to collect email addresses or integrate with other tools for lead management. Publish your landing page. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save and Publish. You'll be given a URL to share your landing page or embed it on your website.